Hey, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in. And in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Salty Captain Off-Road Essentials bucket. So let's face it, I'm dealing with the same issue that you guys are dealing with. Taking your truck out on the trails, be it a fire road, overlanding the country, mudding, rock crawling, whatever it may be, you're dealing with a dirty truck. And Salty Captain had sent me out their Off-Road Essentials bucket to try out and to share with you guys my experience. I know they're simply gonna get dirty again, and that's just the name of the game, but Salty Captain was like, look, your trucks need to look good for the gram, so we're gonna send you out this kit. You're gonna love it. The Off-Road Essentials kit will come with a soft bristle wheel brush, the musket foam cannon that attaches to your garden hose. This thing is so cool, I love it. Grease attack, which later in the video you're gonna see why I love that thing so much. Some glass cleaner, because you need to be able to see out of the truck. The four-wheel drive and RV wash, which honestly smells absolutely amazing. Interior cleaner, because you already know you're all muddy and sticky and you're touching the inside of your truck. A hard bristle tire brush, some spray nozzles to go ahead and attach to the bottles, microfiber wash mitt, and a big microfiber drying towel. So we'll take a look at what we're working with. The GX doesn't look that bad. There's a lot of dust, a lot of dirt that's stuck onto it that you can't really see because of the color, but you already know this thing is grimy because I haven't washed it in about 6 months. But the products from Salty Captain cut through this dirt and grime so easily. You might be asking yourself, who is Salty Captain? Salty Captain is an Australian company crafting quality products on the Gold Coast. They specialize in marine and four-wheel drive off-road. So now let's get into it. First off, assembling the musket, and right off the bat, the handle looked exactly like Count Dooku's lightsaber. Assembling the musket is very straightforward. It will come with 2 nozzles. You have the choice between the small, short one, or you have the big one to complete the musket look. But honestly, attaching this thing, I felt like I was attaching a suppressor. The canister for the different formulas will attach to the bottom. And then the musket itself will thread onto your garden hose. The selector lever on top allows you to switch from off, water only, and then foam. Again, this four-wheel drive and RV wash smells so good. So now we're ready to spray. I'm starting here with a pre-wash. This is water only. I'm just trying to hose down the stuff that's easy to get off. And now with just a flick of the lever, I'm onto foam action. And check out the lather coming out of this thing. It coats the truck so well. Now I'm adding a little bit of the grease attack to the wash because I want to cut into all the dead bug stuff and all the bird poop that's on the truck. And we'll mix that in with some of that foaming action and then re-lathering the truck. Just because I really wanted to see this thing lather up again. And now with the microfiber wash mitt that was included with the kit, I can go ahead and start scrubbing off all this grime. Right about now, you're probably thinking to yourself, that looks good, looks so attractive, but I hate to break it to you, I'm already married. But I'm sure she felt like she got the short end of the stick. But anyways, moving on, let's reload this musket and get to washing this truck. Now onto the wheels and tires. We're still using the four-wheel drive and RV wash here, lathering them up. We're then using the hard bristle brush on the tires. Then the soft bristle brush on the wheels. With everything washed up and rinsed, we can go ahead and start drying. I didn't realize how hot it was going to be with the California winter coming up, so I had to go ahead and crack a cold one. Moving on to the glass cleaner, and we're just attaching the spray nozzle. This glass cleaner does a great job making sure to keep it streak free. And lastly, we have the interior cleaner. Which, by the way, smells really good as well. Now with everything cleaned up, dried off, let's go ahead and take a look at the results. So there you have it, the Salty Captain Off-Road Essentials bucket. First off, I gotta say the musket is pretty awesome. I love the look of it. I love the whole idea of it. And I love how convenient it is to get some foam action coming out of your garden hose. And the 4-wheel drive and RV wash smells amazing. And it really gets all the grime off of the truck. I mean, just a quick lather of that foam and then just a wipe down and it was all melting away. The biggest thing for me from this kit was the grease attack formula that they have. I know I didn't use it on the underside of the GX, but I had sprayed it onto the underside of the Land Cruiser. And I'm telling you, the grime, the dirt, the mud, all the nasty stuff that's dried up under the Land Cruiser just completely started melting away. I had a buddy of mine with me when we sprayed the underside, and he was completely amazed. He was blown away, and he was like, that alone sells me on this kit.
Good. Dude, that's a Salty Captain.
I do need to get myself a hard water remover because I have a lot of hard water on the GX and on the 80 actually. And all the scrubbing is not really helping at this point, so I need a better formula for that, and I know Salty Captain has one. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for tuning into the video. I really appreciate you watching. If you're interested in this kit, I'll put a link down in the description for the Salty Captain Off-Road Essentials bucket. Thanks for watching.